Ever lost TV signal in the middle of nowhere? Yeah, I've been there. Total silence, no shows, just static. Long road trips used to mean missing my favorite programs. Rain or remote campsites. Forget about clear reception. But then I found the ultimate RV TV antenna. Let me show you what changed my travel game. Check out this sleek, weatherproof outdoor antenna. It's built for RVs, tough, aerodynamic, and waterproof. Installation? Seriously easy. Took me just minutes. No tools, no hassle, just attach and go. It's omnidirectional, so it grabs signals from all sides, whether you're parked in the woods or by the beach. Supports 4K and even 8K Ultra HD channels. Watch NBC, Fox, PBS, ABC, free, no subscription needed. Even in stormy weather, the signal stays strong. We watched live sports during a thunderstorm. No interruptions. It's compact, so it doesn't clutter your RV roof. And the design? Super modern, blends right in. Great for solo travelers, families, or group trips. No more fighting over spotty Wi-Fi or missed episodes. Just clear, high-definition entertainment wherever you park. Even my kids love picking channels on the road. No monthly bills, just plug in and watch. Perfect for campers, RV owners, and travel lovers. You can finally relax after a long drive with good TV. Ready for your next adventure? Upgrade your RV with the best TV antenna out there. Hit the road and stay entertained, no matter where you go. Click the link in the description to find out more.